Hey folks, Machinery Pete here. It's winter time and we need to talk winter maintenance. And we're going to have a fun conversation today with Troy Schaar, Regional Sales Manager for Case IH Parts and Service. Troy, hey, thanks for joining us.
Hey, very much appreciate the chance to be here to talk to you a little bit. Thank you.
Always fun to talk equipment maintenance. Of course, I've been tracking values all these years and they're kind of tied at the hip, taking great care of your equipment, keep that value up. Now, during the winter, Troy, what steps would you suggest a Case IH equipment owner be thinking about here to be ready for spring?
Yes, it's simple, really. Case IH parts and service experts, like myself, like your factory trained technician at the dealership, they recommend that you complete the prescribed preventative winter maintenance as well as get pre and post-season inspections on all your equipment. Always trust those experts. They're best able to identify the areas of wear, needs for repair or give you any suggestions for parts replacement. And each inspection is guided by a checklist specifically developed, for your piece of equipment in partnership with the OEM.
Right. A lot of work that goes into that. Making all those recommendations for specific makes and models. So now if we talk, Troy, the importance of wintertime preventative equipment maintenance, how would you verbalize that importance?
Yeah, winter maintenance is very important, especially in the cold weather areas, right? Performing that preventative maintenance in the off season ensures your equipment is protected during the winter and it's ready for use next season, right? So diligent preventative maintenance is time well spent, and it's the most cost effective. It's more cost effective than paying for the potentially expensive major repairs in season. Right. So it's your best chance to prevent that. And, we highly recommend everyone take that step.
Always good to be proactive, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, Troy, let's talk about why it's so important for equipment operators to use genuine parts and fluids in their Case IH equipment.
Sure. It's a question we get quite often, right? There's lots of options out there, but at the end of the day, genuine parts have been designed, tested, and approved by our Case IH engineer specifically for your Case IH equipment. Using only OEM parts is key to achieving that optimal performance and maximum uptime with that equipment. And so when you use the non-OEM approved parts and fluids, you may compromise that machine performance, causing decreased efficiency of your operation, less productivity in your day-to-day, and really at the end of the day, increasing that cost of ownership.
So what makes these lubricants different and better than others that are currently on the market, Troy?
It's a great question. To start, our number one engine oil is formulated to meet the performance demands of Tier 4 engines. Specifically, it's providing greater oxidation protection, greater deposit control protection compared to our competitors. High-Trend Premium features industry-leading heat tolerance and up to 1% water tolerance with very low additive dropout. It is proven to prevent rust, sticky hydraulic valves, flow restrictions, and it really prevents that gear wear in all of our Case IH equipment. It's a great fluid. And the extended life O coolant is the only coolant formulated to protect all generations of our Case IH equipment, your Case IH equipment, and provide superior high temperature protection in the extreme conditions you'll find out there, in agricultural operations.
Okay, good enough. What about if we talk about replacing and upgrading filters before the season begins? I imagine this is of high importance.
Absolutely. Yeah. Before next season, definitely trust your Case IH factory trained technician to inspect your equipment. If any filters do need replacing, be sure to use the genuine Case IH filters. Each genuine Case IH filter is specifically designed to perfectly fit your equipment and deliver quality, heavy duty protection. Our genuine Case IH filters deliver performance you require and greater performance compared to our competitors. For example, 20% higher dirt holding capacity in hydraulic oil filters, 100% higher dirt holding capacity in fuel filters, or even 3 times more efficient air filters compared to conventional. This is all possible. Part of the reason this is possible is our micro-lock synthetic OEM filter media, which ensures filtration of the finest particles and reduces engine wear to the max. So to complete that whole protection package, Case IH parts and service experts, recommend using those genuine filters in addition to the genuine lubricants. This will ensure the highest level of performance from your Case IH equipment. Using one genuine solution without the other may compromise machine performance, decrease efficiency and productivity, and potentially increase that cost of ownership. So just stick to the OEM and you can't go wrong.
Okay, well, Troy, now I know you're a Wisconsin guy. I'm a Minnesota guy. It is getting cold here. I think it's about 2 degrees today. If we talk equipment batteries, being prepared for winter, what should Case IH equipment operators be doing or thinking about here to keep those batteries protected from this cold weather?
Yeah, great question for us Northerners, right? So, first, always choose that Case IH Magna Power battery for your Case IH equipment. This ensures that optimal performance and durability. That's the first step. But if you are storing your equipment in cold conditions, be sure to use a battery maintainer to help the battery stay healthy and charged for when spring arrives. If it is left in a discharge state in the cold weather, it could freeze, possibly crack, right? So that's probably the best thing you can do when you're storing the equipment during the cold season.
Okay. And let's wrap up here, Troy, and just touch on the fact again, why should a Case IH equipment operator work directly with their Case IH dealer on their equipment maintenance?
Wow. Yeah, no one knows how to take care of your equipment better than the ones you've trusted to build, design, and maintain it. So trusting the factory trained professionals at your Case IH dealer saves you a lot of time and effort, gives you that peace of mind. Your Case IH dealer can suggest the best genuine parts solutions for your equipment, and their expert team of service professionals can properly install the parts to ensure that you are best protected. And when you do all this, the best part is you get a full 12-month warranty on those parts, giving you that full season's worth of warranty protection, knowing that you can get through your season with the repairs that you invested in. So no better thing to do than work with your Case IH dealer. They know what to do. Well,
that warranty protection, boy, that's top of the list. Peace of mind, and in my world, adds tons of value. That Case IH warranty. Troy Schaar, Regional Sales Manager, Case IH Parts and Service. Thank you for this conversation on winter maintenance. And maybe we can cross our fingers. Maybe we'll even get up to double-digit temperature here before too long.
You never know. But really appreciate the time. And again, trust the Case IH dealer. Trust in genuine OEM parts. It's really the way to go when you're using Case IH equipment. So appreciate it very much.